Thanks for joining us today at Chesmar Homes in Prominence. I'm Shane Tracy, your San Antonio new build specialist. Now here at Prominence, Chesmar Homes is offering 3 different series of homes. Today we're going to highlight their 50-foot series, which is right in the middle of all 3 series. Now with the 50-foot series, you're going to have 1- and 2-story floor plans available. The model right behind me is called the Lauren, which is a beautiful and spacious 1-story that's 2,376 square feet. You got lots of room there. The community is located on the far west side of San Antonio, and it's Chesmar Homes' newest master plan community. It's located off of Highway 211, right where it meets Grossenbacher. And it provides resort-style amenities such as the Gecko Park. This is a nature-inspired playscape for all ages. There will be pickleball and basketball courts and an infinity edge pool and scenic golf course views. The community is in the Medina Valley ISD, and the property tax is 2.53%. This community is located real close to new H-E-B, Costco, Walmart, along with other shopping and restaurants real close by. And you're going to have quick access to Highway 211 and Highway 90 that'll get you to downtown in probably less than 30 minutes. So if you're ready, let's go check out the Lauren on the inside and see how beautiful it is. Introducing the Lauren, a beautifully designed single-story home offering 2,376 square feet of smart, flexible living, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a versatile flex room, and a 2-car garage with extra storage. This layout adapts to your lifestyle with options for a 4th bedroom or private study. The open concept kitchen, dining, and family room create a bright central hub for everyday living and entertaining. Step outside to the covered patio and enjoy seamless year-round outdoor living. Enjoy the home. Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.